Heavy.
Pretty heavy.
God damn. Ooh, that's a big sub.
Okay, I'll jump on your side so I can take it out there to the carpet.
Holy shit. That's a big ass sub. Holy shit. Oh shit. There we go. Damn. To be honest with you, not to be rude to the guy or anything, but my Scar has a bigger surround than it actually really does. My Scar, if you were to have this thing in a box, my Scar actually would look more beefier than it. But that magnet, damn, you can't get much better than that ass right there.
It's a big sub.
Yeah.
There's no debate that that's a big old sub.
Yeah. I don't really like Sundown audio, to be honest with you. I mean, their stuff is alright, but I just don't like it.
You know, a lot of their stuff is okay. The reason why I don't like it that much is because of the people they represent.
Yeah.
See, this could have took an even bigger spider. See, the spider landing goes
I
clear
know.
out to here.
Yeah.
They only used it out to here.
I know, and then look at, yeah, I know, that feels like plastic, to be honest.
This giant cast frame.
It feels like plastic. I don't know if it is, but it just...
No, it's aluminum.
Oh, good.
I kind of like the design because it has such a large spider.
Yeah.
It's just, there's a lot of things they could have changed different. See how they got this plastic ring in here?
Mm-hmm.
For a spacer?
Mm-hmm.
They could have done that a little different, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Instead of just trying to make the same magnet fit every speaker,
yeah.
They should have designated a magnet with a higher pole on it.
Yeah.
But you can see the voice coil in there.
Yeah.
Flat.
Seems like these guys are pretty loose.
They're soft. They're really soft compared to the ones in my car.
Yeah. My Scar's really stiff.
Really soft.
Yeah. Have you ever had one of these things fired up?
No.
You gotta fire this guy up.
See what it does? Some free air flapping.
Mm-hmm. You gotta fire it up on your M5.
Yeah.
Freaking.
See, these are only a 3-inch coil. Look at how small they are.
I know, right? It's kind of funny. You'd expect a sub this big to have a bigger coil, you know?
We'll see. This is really deep. It's going to occupy a lot of space. See how deep this funnel is? How it's really occupying a lot of space.
I was gonna say, that's why it'd be a good idea to freaking have them inverted, but freaking asshole doesn't want it to be like that. And so now his system's gonna sound like shit.
I agree. It could be a lot better.
Yeah. But, you know.
What do we know, right?
Yeah.
We just do whatever they tell us to.
Yeah. People these days, man, I swear.
It's heavy, though. This thing's heavy. Did you grab it and try to pick it up?
Shit.